Hey everyone, I'm Rich, and today I'm going to show you what to do if you get this error in your X5. So you might get something along the lines of parking light front left failure, front right, and when you go into the system, just having a look at the main error. So it's telling you to get it checked with the BMW nearest service. Well, we're not going to do that. So the first job is to determine which type of headlights you've got. So this fix is just for the halogens. The Xenons will be really easy, you can access it from the top, but you're looking for this unit here. So this is a cap for the bulb for the angel eyes, but only for the halogens. So in order to get access to that, we're going to have to go in through the wheel arch. Now what I should have done is take off the wheel. It would have been a hell of a lot easier, and then just taken the headlight out as one unit. It just makes access a hell of a lot easier. So if you want to try it, then take the wheel off. And then we need to remove this wheel arch trim, plastic trim. These clips you will have to buy some replacements for. I'll put the link in the description. You just punch out the middle and then pry it out, and they're useless after that. Then just pry off this trim. It comes off really easily. There's just a few clips. That might be a painted piece, and this is what you'll see afterwards. So you've got easy access to the arch liner. Then there are several bolts to take out to then start removing the arch liner. I just pulled it away, pried it out like that. Lots of gunk came out. Again, that would be a lot easier if you remove the wheel, but I didn't in this case, so lesson learned there. So let's have a look what we've got access to. There's the headlight unit. It's a big old unit. Obviously this would be a lot easier if we could take it out, and that's the parking light access port we're looking for. It's held in with 3 Torx screws. I think they're T20s. They're just 2 at the top and 1 in the at the bottom. As you can see, it's a bit hard to get to if you don't take the wheel off. It's got a little rubber seal, and then it's just a plastic cap. So once that's off, this is what you'll see. There's a bulb holder with 2 wires, and then you've got a Allen screw, top and bottom. This is the bulb holder. This is what BMW wants 70 quid for. So we're obviously going to find a different way to replace it. These are the 2 screws that I was talking about. They just hold it in top and bottom. And you can see the bulb holder inside the plastic piece is melted in to this metal unit, the metal reflector. And what you need to do is basically just take that plastic piece out. So I use pliers, but you could use a Dremel. That would do the same job just fine. And this is the bulb holder that slots into place. So the bulbs you need are these. These are H10Ws. They're just a bayonet fitting, and they just push in and twist, and out it comes. This is obviously the blown bulb. It's quite a small bulb, but one you can just get off the shelf. So once that's in, put the new bulb in, and put the bulb holder into the metal reflector. Slide it into place, and I'm just using some Araldite glue here. Any sort of epoxy glue will do just fine. We just need to lightly hold it in place. I don't think we need to replace it again, so this is as good as permanent. So then we're ready to get it back in the car. It's just the reverse of the removal process. So once it's back in, let's take a look. So thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.